Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be potting on these beautiful. These are Schizanthus dwarf bouquet mix. As you can see, these are going really well. I'm going to be taking them out of these, growing in these toilet roll tubes at the moment. Just get the light on here, because that's a little bit better. Then I'm going to take them out of these toilet roll tubes, plant them into these 9cm pots. I'm using a peat-based compost. I'll show my little stand here. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. Just get it set up here. Hopefully, a little bit better. Yeah, I'll get some compost first. Right, these are what I'm using. These beautiful 9cm pots. All you need to do with those, a bit of compost in the bottom, like so. And then what we need to do with these is select some of these. I've actually got some tied in here, which I need to take the wires off. Get the cane out there, that's better. These have grown really tall. I want to show you some here. As you can see here, really nice root system on there, on this one. Really nice, healthy root system. Just going to break a little bit of that off the bottom, just so it fits in my pots here. And then all we need to do then is take your pots like so. This needs to fit, like to be the same level, which that is. And then all we need to do then is a little bit of compost all the way around, so you get it nice in the middle. Get a good tap down. That's number one. All I'm going to do with that is my cane here. Just gives it a little bit of support. I can tie that in. But as you can see, getting my first flowers on these, which are absolutely amazing. You can just see that there. That's my Schizanthus, the first flower. I'm so proud of that. But these are going to be absolutely outstanding. That's one done. Put that to one side. We get another one over here. Oops, nearly knocked it over. Yeah, another one. A beautiful, that's just slightly pinker flower. Oh, today's it. That's what you do when you're not using a proper stand. Sorry about that, folks. Try and get it a bit more level. That's it, yep. This one, see it there. That is a little bit better. That flower, absolutely outstanding. Get another pot, like so, in the centre. And just fill it in all the way around. When these have been done like this, what you need to do then is give them really good water and a feed. Number two, put them to one side. Yeah, give them a really good water, really good feed. And that's how to put them on. I've got a few more of these to do, so it's going to take me a little bit longer. Yeah, that's how to put on your Schizanthus. And they're called bouquet mixer dwarf variety. As you can see here, growing really healthily. So yeah, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Say bye, monkey. Bye, Paul. Bye, monkey. Bye, everybody. Thank you very much. Bye.